Have you ever wondered how you can join two pieces of metal without flame, sparks, or traditional welding? Today, we will delve into the world of an innovative technology known as friction welding. This is not science fiction, but a real industrial process that is changing the game. Imagine two metal components. One is held stationary, while the other rotates at an incredible speed. Then, they are pressed together with force. What happens next? Intense friction is generated, which creates a huge amount of heat. The metal at the point of contact heats up to a plastic state but does not melt. At this moment, the rotation stops abruptly and the pressure increases. The atoms of the two parts mix and form a strong, monolithic bond at the molecular level. After cooling, we get a scene that often surpasses the base metal in its properties. So, what are the main advantages of this method? First, its incredible strength. Since the metal does not melt, the material structure is not disturbed, which eliminates the pores and cracks characteristic of traditional welding. Secondly, it is versatility. Friction welding allows you to join even dissimilar metals, such as aluminum with steel, which was previously considered an extremely difficult task. The process is fully automated, which guarantees the highest accuracy and repeatability of the result from part to part. In addition, it is an environmentally friendly method. There is no smoke, harmful emissions, or welding materials. Where is this amazing technology used?
But there's no liquid.
The range
here.
of its
Two
use
solid
is
steel
huge.
pieces are being pressed together and spun
automotive
against each
industry,
other. Friction
it is
softens
used
the
to
interface
manufacture
just enough to make it
crank
flow
shafts,
like putty. The
axle
ridged
shafts,
ring you see
and
squeezing out
engine
is plastic
valves.
metal, not
In the aerospace industry, friction welding is used to create components for aircraft and rockets, where maximum reliability and minimum weight are important. Energy, production of drilling tools, medical equipment. Wherever a perfect connection quality is required, friction welding comes to the rescue.